Hi there. Today I'm joined by Mikhail Fedorov of F5 to talk about a cool, exciting open source project that's posted on DevCentral GitHub repository. This project aims to dramatically improve deployment and management of a WAF, a Web Application Firewall that's based on Nginx App Protect and deployed as a template in the AWS Cloud. So Mikhail, glad to talk to you again. Give us a quick overview. What does this project do? What problem does it solve? And how do you get started?
Hi, Nick. The idea of this project is to simplify the process of deployment WAF to the public cloud. Usually it takes at least a few weeks for an average team to deploy a WAF to the cloud. And by the way, all these teams end up with similar solution because they all follow best practices. To simplify this process, we came up with a template that allows to deploy complete production-grade WAF solution to the public cloud in less than 10 minutes.
10 minutes? You're kidding me. So it follows the standard processes, I guess, kind of best practices, and deploys some infrastructure in AWS Cloud, configures it. What do you end up with? Maybe you can give us a quick overview and show us the repository and the little bit of architecture of the solution.
Yeah, of course, this template follows all the best practices from AWS. And here on my screen, I have the project repository that gives an overview what are the moving parts in this project. And the reason why I call this project Complete WAF Solution is because it contains all the parts to operate entire WAF solution from day zero. So first of all, it contains fully automated data plane that scales up and down depending on the amount of traffic. Second part, it's a Git repository that includes all the configuration for Nginx and for App Protect WAF. And then on every change, all this config automatically reflects to all the running virtual machines with the WAF. And third part, it's a dashboard that provides system status and security insights.
Awesome. And I noticed that all of these are native AWS services, so you're not reinventing the wheel by adding something that's not part of AWS. So any customer that's running AWS Cloud can immediately take advantage of things that they're familiar with, right?
Yeah, so this template only uses features and services that are available from AWS, and there is not possible to have a problem with support of third-party feature.
Excellent. I like it. So you already mentioned it takes only like 10 minutes. How do I get started if I wanted to get going with this project?
Yeah, it's really cool. It takes about 10 minutes to have this entire solution deployed. And project README contains pretty detailed steps on how to deploy and how the deployment model looks like. So there are two options. You can do it manually or just click one button, launch stack, and it gets you to AWS directly. And then after a few pages of the wizard project, and less than 5 releases, by the way, the project gets deployed.
Well, this is awesome. So I know that you're going to do a full demo next, which shows the complete deployment end-to-end and showing an attack and how it's getting captured by the Web Application Firewall. So let's go ahead and take a look in the next segment.
Sounds good. I'll be happy to give you a demo.